What we're going to talk about today, we're going to talk about kaolin clay. This one is from Australia, pure 100% Australian made, Australian clay. Why do you want to use kaolin clay? This is why version in your recipe, in your soap recipe. One reason is that it's a exfoliant, a very gentle exfoliant. It goes like your skin like this and just exfoliate all the dead skin out of the body. If you have oily skin as well, oily skin, and actually help with that as well. The third reason is actually it's a way to anchor the things that we are using in our soap. This one, they're still debatable. Okay, some people think that kaolin clay or any clay will not do anything to the soap. It will just evaporate out the things. Okay, some people reckon it works. I don't know. So I'm going to test it out myself. You know me, right? I'm going to test it out myself. I don't believe what other people said. I'm going to do my own test and I verify it myself. Okay? No expert allowed in my soap workshop. Okay? Only I can verify it. Okay? No expert. So I will do the test myself. Worst come to worst, you get a good exfoliation. Okay? So that is Australian kaolin clay. Try it in your next recipe. It's one of the cheaper red ingredient clay wise. If I use bentonite clay, it will cost a lot more. But if I use kaolin clay, it will be reduce the cost down a little bit. How much do you use? Some people suggest like a teaspoon to a tablespoon to 1 pound of oil. Now that's the American way, but I don't live in America. So what I do is I use percentage of the oil that I'm going to use in my recipe. So some people reckon 1 to 4%. 4% is the high range. So I'll go somewhere in the middle. All right, so 3% of white kaolin clay for your recipe. Okay, so that's how you use it. But it's brand new. I just got from the shop. But when you store clay as well, okay, make sure you don't use any metal. So you only use plastic to store this. It's messy. So if you have allergy and stuff like that, use a mask, please. It's all the clays are very fine, so that's it, right? Use a mask when you do this. Get my scale ready. So for my recipe, so I got it here. 4% is 34 grams, so I need 34 grams. 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoons, 3 teaspoons, 4 teaspoons, roughly 4.5 teaspoons altogether. That's 33, that's 34. That doesn't matter. Make sure you store this properly, okay? Otherwise it gets messy. That's it. Why Australian kaolin clay. Use it to anchor your skin, exfoliate, okay, your skin, and of course if you have dry skin, perfect. But also you can use it for other skincare routine as well. People use this as a face mask. One ingredient, many uses. My name is Travis Chow. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.